In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create meeting ID and password in Microsoft Teams. To get started, open Microsoft Teams and head over to the calendar section. This is where all of your scheduled events and meetings are managed, so it's the right place to create a new meeting and later find its access details. Once you're in the calendar, click on New Meeting to begin setting everything up. Now, you'll be taken to the meeting creation screen. Here, enter the main details for your meeting, such as the title, date, and time. Make sure these details are accurate, especially if you plan to share the meeting with other people. A clear meeting title also makes it easier to find later in your calendar. If you want, you can also add participants at this stage. This part is optional, but it can save time if you already know who should be invited. If you're not ready to invite anyone yet, you can still continue and create the meeting first. Once the details are filled in, click Send or Save, depending on the version of Teams you're using. This creates the meeting and places it on your calendar. That's important because the meeting ID and passcode are tied to the scheduled meeting after it has been created. After saving the meeting, go back to your Teams calendar. You should now be able to see the meeting listed at the date and time you selected. Click on the scheduled meeting to open it. Next, click Edit. This opens the meeting details again, but now you'll be able to access more information connected to that meeting. Under the meeting description or in the meeting options area, look for the meeting ID and passcode. This is where Microsoft Teams displays the details people can use to join the meeting manually. If someone can't join through a regular invite link, the meeting ID and passcode can be especially useful. You can copy those details and share them with participants as needed. Just be sure to share them securely and only with the people who should have access to the meeting. And that's it. The key thing to remember is that you first need to schedule and save the meeting before those join details become available. Then, by reopening the meeting and selecting Edit, you can find the meeting ID and passcode in the meeting information area. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to create a meeting ID and password in Microsoft Teams.